Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Noemi Tenorio, 23 years old, married. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness.
Hi, Miss Noemi. How are you right now?
Sir, madam, I'm fine.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, the right attitude of a domestic helper must be loyal, honest, kind, trustworthy, and patient.
So since you're first timer, how will you avoid homesickness?
I will avoid homesickness by doing myself busy, enjoy my job.
Okay, so can you tell me the proper way on how to take care of the children?
Sir, madam, the proper way of taking care of the children is take them a bath every day, treat them as my real child, and love them. Give them food and vitamins.
So what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
Sir, madam, I will ask for an apology and promise that I will never do it again.
Okay, so Miss Noemi, do you have any message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me because I need this job for my family, and I will promise that I will do my job well and finish my 2-year contract.
Thank you, Miss Noemi, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.